Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to record Discord audio. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How do I need? So first of all, open your settings and inside of the search box search here Gamer and open enable Xbox Gamer, and from here make sure to turn on this option. And after that open your Discord and now press Windows key and G at the same time, and now click on this little settings icon and capturing, and from here select game enable mic, select this option and now hold down Windows key and at the same time Alt key and press R to start your recording. And here you can see my recording has been started, and then you can turn on your mic from here, turn off your mic from here. Once you're done, click on this icon here to stop your recording, then click here, and here we can see my audio and video has been recorded, and you can easily save and open file from here. To open this recorded file, click on open file location, continue, and here we can see the file has been successfully recorded. So this was how we can record audio on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.